Tilak. We had such a blast the last 3 days. My family members have given such positive feedback. Actually, I was scared to host 3 days events, but you made it really possible. Your support guidance was amazing, and that's something a bride and groom really needs. So thank you so much. I really want the food to be great because Namagudla food is so important, and you smashed it. So I'm really happy.
Again, from both of us, thank you to Anu, Tilak, your team, your staff members, your chef, everyone,
amazing.
your whole team made our dream come true.
Yeah.
Every family members, everyone that came, they had such an amazing time. I've even had compliments that came up to us and said the food was amazing, the hospitality was amazing, the service was amazing, and most of all, they've told me that they've never been to a wedding like this ever before in their life. And this is people that's coming from 60 years of their life coming and telling me this.
With their own kids married,
Yes.
by the way. Their own kids are married.
Which made us
Yeah.
really happy because this is what we both wanted.
Yeah.
And you have made this possible. Without you, your last minute helps and
Yeah.
everything, this wouldn't have happened. Again, thank you so much, and I would 100% recommend if anyone's ever doing a wedding in India,
Come to
your resort, your hospitality would be number one for us.
One more thing, I told Anu and Tilak that I want the food to be great and I don't want any negative feedback, and that's you delivered it. You 100% delivered it because I've not heard any negative feedback.
I know the chef is not here. A special thank you, chef,
Yeah, thank
and to
you.
your team.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You are such an amazing chef. We will definitely
Happy
see you.
couple.
Thank you so much.